Hey guys, I'm Mike, this is the crew, and today we're swapping the head gasket on the 55 Chevy. Well, let's get at her.
A blown head gasket can cause coolant to leak from an engine. This can lead to overheating and catastrophic failure. If left unchecked, it won't be the only thing Mike has to fix. To get at it, Mike has to disassemble his engine from the top down, starting with the radiator, battery, and ignition system. He then moves to the alternator. From there, he can remove the intake manifold. Next to the valve covers. He loosens the rocker arms and takes the push rods with them. This leaves the head studs accessible to be loosened. Once they're loose, Mike can remove the cylinder heads easily. Now he can pull the defective gasket. It left some residue behind, so he's sure to clean it off before he puts the new gasket in.
Well, it's getting late, and I'm getting tired. It looks like we've taken it about as far as we can get for today. We'll pick it back up early tomorrow morning, but right now it's time to take a hot shower and crack a cold beverage.
With a good night's rest, Mike starts early by making sure the threads are clear for the head studs. With that out of the way, he's ready to start rebuilding his engine. He lines up the new gasket on the clean metal before he puts the head back. Before he can put the head studs back in, he needs to prepare the threads with a special adhesive used to prevent them from coming loose under tremendous force. With everything in place, he takes the bolts to hand tight before making sure the heads are properly secure with a torque wrench. He reinserts the push rods before he puts the rocker arms back. For this next part, he needs to remove the fan to turn the engine manually, checking to see if the rocker arms have been installed properly. Next, he sets down a bead of adhesive and new gaskets for the intake manifold. After a quick tighten, it's good to go. The rest should be easy as he replaces the dipstick, alternator, cooling fan, drive belt, radiator, and battery. The last piece of the puzzle is his ignition system. He makes short work of lining up his distributor and cap. He runs cables from his distributor cap to his spark plugs, careful to do so in correct order.
Alright, so everything's back in place. The only thing left to do is see if she'll fire off now and set the ignition timing and hope that we did everything right.
Mike checks his ignition timing with a special tool to get it close, but to get it dialed in just right, he needs to take it for a test drive.
We finally got the old girl put back together and back on the road. With old cars like these, unexpected problems are rather common, but since we enjoy turning wrenches, we don't mind. That's all for today. Make sure to tune in next time where we go and see what some of the other guys are up to, right here on The Crew.